Hello and welcome to our Hopper HQ August 2025 product update. I'm really excited to share with you what me and the team have been cooking up for you for our lovely customers. It's a feature that you guys have been asking for, so we're really excited to have it in your hands now. And we're already receiving great feedback from it, so we hope that it will really add to your social media marketing mix. Obviously, Hopper HQ is a social media scheduling tool. We schedule to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Blue Sky. And you can send media, posts, videos to all of those platforms. And we hope to make your life easier. We have so many solo entrepreneurs and social media marketers and small businesses using us and absolutely loving us. And our main selling point is that we are easy to use and that you, no matter what level of marketing you're jumping into, can manage your social media successfully with Hopper HQ. I'm Isabel. I manage customer here at Hopper, so I make sure your voice is heard. So be sure to send me an email at isabel@hopperhq.com or reach out to support if you ever have any questions, queries, or trouble as it may be. We love hearing from you. Fantastic. So as I mentioned, it's our August 2025 product update, and it's a massive feature, but also it's really exciting. So, but before we get to that, I always love to spotlight a customer, and this is Laura, and Laura's amazing. She is a mother first and foremost, and then a social media manager. So she started helping out her friends with their businesses and their social media, and then turned it into more of a business, which is really exciting. And we see so many people like that within Hopper HQ turning a hustle into a business, and we're all for that. Most recently, just showing her entrepreneurial spirit, she has written and published a book, and you can see it here in the image. So if you're into fantasy, search Laura Schweizer, and you'll be able to find her new book. She has lots planned in the series, so it's really exciting. But she actually came to Hopper HQ from Meta Business Suite, as lots of our customers do. Meta Business Suite is brilliant if you're focusing on the Meta platforms. But if you want to kind of expand beyond that and have a more tailored platform, Hopper HQ is a step up from that. And Laura felt that the benefit of Hopper HQ through this. So she actually managed to convince some of her clients, the majority of her clients, to come across to Hopper HQ, but she still was managing a few clients on Meta Business Suite. Obviously, it is a free platform, so we understand the lure there, but having the direct contrast of both, she honestly couldn't believe the value of Hopper HQ. And it was amazing chatting with her, learning how Hopper HQ streamlined her workflow, and also like meant she didn't have to have Linktree because we have our own link in bio, and just hearing how like even the majority of her clients were managed on Hopper HQ. It took a fraction of the time of the management on Meta. So that was really, really nice to hear. And her favorite features, because she doesn't claim to be like a massive expert, she's just found a niche and runs with it, is visually planning with the calendar and customizing captions with split captions. And anyone who uses Hopper HQ knows they're fantastic core features. So really happy that we get to support businesses and people like Laura. And that is what's nice about Hopper HQ, and my job learning about the people behind the businesses. Okay, great. So that's Laura. But today, the main gist is Facebook Reels. Hopper HQ has supported Instagram Reels and TikTok for a long time, so people have been scheduling and loving managing their short form video content through Hopper HQ. But now Facebook Reels is available, which is fantastic. And it's just another puzzle piece to the social media management jigsaw that now is within Hopper HQ. So Facebook Reels is obviously not as popular, not quite as popular as Instagram Reels or TikTok, but there is value there. There is reach there. And especially with Facebook page publishing with Facebook Reels, it's a real good chance to reach out to audiences that you may not necessarily come across your content. And so if you're using targeted captions and hashtags, then you can really become discoverable through Facebook Reels. And obviously, it depends on who your audience is and who you're marketing to. But Facebook still is a massively used platform, and despite like the attitudes towards it shifting in the last few years and a little bit longer, it is still a leading social media platform for a reason. And we're excited to support you guys grow on Facebook, which I think it's a really nice and easy platform to grow upon. So if it's not in your marketing mix, definitely turn towards it. But let's jump in and just show you what Facebook Reels look like in Hopper. So Hopper HQ. I'm in my Hopper HQ now. And if you haven't, Hopper HQ has a 14-day free trial. So even if you're not a customer yet, start your 14-day free trial and give it a go. Like, you'll be amazed what you can achieve in 14 days and the mental relief you will feel knowing you have content scheduled, even if it's just 14 days worth, but hopefully it'll be longer. So this is Hopper HQ, and it's a super easy visual first platform. We are well known for being easy. Anyone can kind of jump into it at any level and visual first. And that's what's really nice about it. Your content, whatever your content looks like, your Hopper HQ will look like. So if your content's good, your Hopper HQ will look good as well. So I'm currently in the Hopper HQ planner page here, but just to show you the calendar view, which Laura really loved. You can see here exactly what it looks like. So I can see my old post, which went out this week. I can see my upcoming posts, and I can drag and I can drop, and I can click into posts and see and make any edits you want. But if you want more of a demo, we do have a demo video on our YouTube. Alternatively, reach out to one of the team and we'll be happy to take you through it. But Facebook Reels, let's have a look. So if I pull some posts into our bulk edit, so I'm going to pull these 3 posts into our bulk edit and just look at them individually. You'll be able to see all the features to do with Facebook Reels, which is exactly the same as creating a reel or a post within Hopper HQ. So here we can see I've got my media attached, and this is a webinar we had a few months ago with a lovely, intelligent lady called Geeta, and she helps creators and founders to stay ahead of the TikTok game. And what she says here about insight into TikTok trends versus TikTok series is really, really nice, and also reassuring to know that you don't have to jump on every trend, and like TikTok series is really important. But yeah, that's the reel that we'll be publishing today. And then also we just have a meme, which everyone loves a meme, especially social media managers. I feel like they appreciate it more. And then a post. But it's exactly the same. You have your media, you can set a cover photo, delete the media, replace the media, set the time and date, and set the caption, use AI to generate the caption, edit the caption, whatever it may be. And then obviously destination platform. So I could put this to my Instagram as well. Let me just shift it to this. So that goes away because Reels are slightly differently formatted. And this reel can go to my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, like whichever platform I want, which is obviously fantastic because it's opening that door up for short form video content for Facebook. But yeah, we'll publish this post just so you can see what it looks like. But another feature, which actually I haven't mentioned yet, is our bulk set destination platform, which I know so many people were asking for. So let me just demonstrate that. So say, for example, I'm only managing 3 posts here, but say I was managing 10, 20, whatever it may be. I want all of these posts to go also to my Instagram. So I can toggle this on, and this is what the destination platforms will look like. And I can press apply. And you'll see here that it has now applied that destination platform to all of my posts. And let me just move that back to Reel, so you can see that there. And that's a really nice way to do it. So you can work fast and in bulk. But let's just publish this post so you can see what a Facebook Reel looks like. So I'm going to publish that now. If you don't know, I'm using our post now function, which is really handy for demos. But for you guys, it's also really handy for if you accidentally forgot to mention something, say you're experiencing downtime, you've got a coupon that you want people to use to boost sales, you might want to get content out immediately now. So let me just go ahead and save that. and this video will start publishing immediately. And you can see here it will move into our history tab, and then we can go from there, which is great. Yeah, let me refresh. You always need to refresh when it's going into publishing. But let's jump into our Facebook page so you can see it. So you guys will all be familiar with this view. This is our Facebook page, and we're obviously managing it. So we're not viewing it as a customer or a user. We're viewing it as an admin. So I can see here a post that I published earlier, which I can see exactly, this is a reel, this is how it will look. But let's see if it has the new post up yet. Not yet. Let's see. Has to all connect and get through the systems. There we go. So here we have the post just now, and the same caption as you saw, and we've got the video of Geeta showing there. And if we want, we can obviously boost this through Meta's own platforms, but we can also see insights and ads as well, and look through the Meta platform to see that, which is really exciting. And that's publishing a Facebook Reel, which is really great. Jumping back, there's lots of things coming, and as we approach the latter stages of 2025, we got some really exciting features for you. So everyone should now have access to TikTok carousels, and we'll be launching that properly ASAP. We've heard you guys' feedback, and we've been tweaking a few things, and so we're excited that this is now accessible to everyone in beta. And then auto selection for TikToks is also in beta. And then the really exciting one is that we have moved Meta Thread scheduling into development. And so we hope to have this with you ASAP. Obviously supporting Instagram Threads, the Meta's answer to X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, will be a great addition to your social media marketing mix, which we're really excited about. If you ever have any feature requests, reach out to us. We love hearing from you guys. We build with your voice at the forefront and center. But thanks so much for joining me today, and I look forward to chatting to you on our next product updates webinar. Thanks and all the best. Bye bye.